Hey everybody, welcome back to AI Cave. I'm Scorpio Girl and today we're doing my unboxing video. Before I get started, I wanted to thank each and every one of you that donated. Every dollar that you gave is right here in front of you. So thank you for helping make my dream of making my own gaming PC come true. I have a Red Dragon gaming keyboard and mouse, my Corsair case, my power supply, my RAM, my SSD M2, my motherboard, two Samsung UHD monitors, my liquid CPU cooler, my Core i7 coffee lake, some additional fans, and apparently the star of the show, the real star of the show, is my graphics card, the GeForce GTX 1080 Ti. All right, how about we get started? We're going to start with my Corsair Crystal Series 570X mid-size tower. It has tempered glass paneling and a clear finish. Oh, this is big. I'm going to need a little help getting it out of the box. Well, we have it out of the box. It is very heavy, so I needed that help. All right, wonderful. We have manuals, very important. I don't know if many of you guys will actually use them, but I definitely will. It's got casing over it. I'm wondering if it has an open bottom to it. I don't want to break it. It does. It looks like it has an open bottom. There's a lot of parts to it also. At least it feels kind of sturdy. So we're gonna need that. Dun, da, da. Definitely going to need some Windex for this because the fingerprints are gonna be all over it. We've got 3 fans. Good. It looks like a really good size, so it's going to be ventilated well for all of the amazing parts that are going to go into it. And here we have my Asus ROG Maximus 10 Hero Gaming Motherboard. Welcome to the Republic. Oh, wow. Oh man, check that out. All right, it looks like things are pretty clearly labeled. Hopefully I'll be able to just match it up a lot easier. Just need to be really careful where I touch, obviously. But this is where all my beautiful parts will be going into. Awesome. So let's see what else is included. Oh, cool. I didn't know it came with all these stickers and everything. Very nice. Let me set this down very carefully. Coaster. Fan holder, user guide. It comes with a user's manual, 4 SATA 6 GB per second cables, 1 M2 screw package, 1 CPU installation tool, 1 supporting DVD, 1 MOS fan bracket kit, 1 SLI HB bridge 2-way M, 1 ROG sticker, 1 Q connector, 1 extension cable for RGB strips, 80 centimeters, 1 extension cable for addressable LED, 1 3D printing mount package, and to top it off, 1 ROG coaster. Okay, number 3 on our list is the Corsair Hydra Series H60 high performance liquid CPU cooler. Now, at first we had a little bit of difficulty trying to figure out how we were supposed to open this box, but the side comes out like that. Okay, quick start guide, always helpful.
It is equipped with a copper cold plate with a pre-applied thermal compound. Copper has better thermal conductivity for more efficient heat transfer to the manifold. Pre-applied thermal compound lets you save a potentially messy installation step. It is a self-contained cooling system. Serious liquid cooling for high-performance CPUs no longer means dealing with complex plumbing. Hydra Series H60 comes pre-filled and never needs refilling or priming. The 120mm fan incorporates custom-engineered blades for better static pressure to noise ratio, offering improved performance at lower noise levels.
Next, we have my EVGA 850-watt gold power supply. Several cables, because this, obviously, as a power supply, it supplies the power to everything. Wow. This is fairly heavy also, so once I get my case put together, it is going to weigh about the same amount as I do. Thing is clearly marked on this as well, which is extremely helpful. And here we have three more parts. We have my RAM, which we have gotten the Corsair Vengeance DDR4. There are a pair of 8GB sticks in this. Now, I'm trying to be really careful with everything because I don't want to break anything, obviously. And I don't want to touch anything in a spot that shouldn't be touched. So I'm just going to hold this little portion of the top. So, like I said, there are a pair of two 8GB sticks. Next, we have my WD Blue SSD card, M2. Comes with a little warranty guide. And the basic information, it looks like. Basic. And here is my SSD. Next, we have 5 additional fans that have, of course, the pink light option, which we absolutely had to get since this is mine. Of course, if it was going to be Mr. AI Caves, probably wouldn't be having these beautiful pink fans on them. Oh my goodness. Well, those should definitely be helpful in keeping my system well ventilated. And here we have my Red Dragon Gaming Essentials S101 keyboard and mouse 2-in-1 set. I'm actually excited about having a gaming keyboard so that in my videos you won't hear it constantly, hopefully. It has RGB lighting, and the mouse has all programmable buttons on it. And we got a smaller one because it actually fits my hand better. I really like the way that it is going to fit my hand a lot nicer than the one that I have been using. That one I can actually reach all the buttons on. And let's check out my keyboard. Alright, well obviously once it's plugged in, it'll have all the lights. It has a great backlighting, and I can't wait to see it. And here are my monitors. I have two Samsung UHD monitors that are 28 inches each. The model is UE590. There is a 1 millisecond respond time to these babies. Look at the size of this. There you go. And now, here we have my EVGA GeForce GTX 1080 Ti graphics card. 11 gigabytes GDDR5X. This is what everyone is looking for. And I'm pretty sure that my husband is very jealous that he doesn't even get to open it, but I do. Here we go, boys and girls. All right, let's see what it comes with. User guide, of course. These companies are all about having stickers everywhere. Not that I mind, because that's cool. All right, all important stuff that I will need to look through. Here we go. Oh my, this is a lot heavier than it looks. I'm just afraid that I don't want to hurt anything. because this is expensive, to say the least. So this is what all the fuss is about. Well, I'll have to put this to the test. And here we have the final part with an addition to my build. This is my CPU, the Intel Core i7 Coffee Lake. I will not be unboxing this in this video just because it's so delicate and I don't want to damage it at all. I'll open it during my build, of course. I also had a custom mousepad made, SG for Scorpio Girl, with pink camo, of course. Okay, all the links are in the description. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell because the next video that I post is going to be my gaming PC build. Thanks for watching.